Hello, everybody. Welcome to live stream. So, how are you this day for the new live stream? And last week and this week, we separately got the new arrivals from our factory and also pushing out the uh, new shape, new design of the multi-stream necklace. And when we get newly designed, when we got new arrivals from the factory, we will firstly get in touch with our visitor in the live stream and the important customer around the world. And we will show them to you the live stream by trying to very own, trying to give you the tell, uh, trying to talking about the detailed information, the texture, the origin, and some information about the beads, gemstone material be included in the necklace. And as you can see, this double string necklace, about 5 strand, um, is one of our newly designed this week and last week. Very long strand and uh, multi-strand, be compound together. See, which is based on the green and the blue turquoise hishi. See, green and blue turquoise hishi in about 3 mm, and then just another round bead consists of the green strawberry round bead very well. See, it's very fancy. Mm. Double multi-strand and with so many beads of the green strawberry quartz, which is light green with the transparent and some, let's say, the white spot inside the beads. See, it's kind of crystal. And we also include the products. Yesterday, just arrived at our company. You see these groups of grape shape necklace, bracelets, and earring sets. See, these yellow pieces are the searching round beads and be strung together in a very special way based on the metal chain and which includes beads in different size from small to large, from up to down. So let's wear it on to see how it looks like. Okay. See, around 18-inch necklace. It looks like this. See? And also the bracelets, which is include very wonderful. I mean the 13 round beads. See? All of them are the natural gemstone pieces. Okay. And that is just bracelets in necklace, and we also have the earrings. See, it's in the same design. Also include different size beads. Very beautiful. Welcome. Welcome to live stream. And so it's totally the 13 jewelry set, which include a necklace, bracelets, and the earrings, and in the same design, which is combined very perfectly. See, and this trend of bracelets consists of one group of gemstone jewelry. Okay. And also like the similarly designed pure shape, nature pure necklace. The white color, pure, also based on the silver chain in the similar design, the grips necklace. So nature, 18-inch, close to your necklace. And these are the small beads be strung together surrounding a metal chain. This one is the silver chain. There's so many different small round beads surrounding the silver chain. They connect together in a special way. And also the bracelets, and also include the earrings. So, earrings, pure beads earrings. Welcome. And next one is a similar shape necklace, but this one is based on the the spine oyster, on the spine oyster round bead, the rare spine oyster. You see, half of them is white color, half of them is red for the spine oyster. So let's try to wear around. See, a great shape, wonderful nature shape necklace. And the bracelets in a similar design. And the lace, the earrings, also in a similar design. The beads be surrounding a silver chain. It connect in a special way. And that is the grape shape necklace today. And it's very a brand new design, in the world market, which share the same uh, shape, the same arrangement weight. In in the future, we will update them in the official website to the WhatsApp social media account to the in the form of the videos and the photos, uh, just like the products we just provide with you. Okay, and we have so many strands of our own design necklace. We make it into a 16-inch, and most of them were in the shape like the gemstone beads be strung together. See, like this, the chrome shape, turquoise, and spaniel oyster. 16-inch perfectly surrounding your necks, based on the turquoise, bumblebees, spaniel oyster, these three color necklace. Welcome. Chrome shape you can see the two smaller and the one bigger pieces in uh, in in one group, and about five groups a necklace. See, and like this, also using the similar material. Big pieces turquoise nuggets in the middle. See? So that is the revenue design products today, and hope you guys will be interested, and we will get back to you a few minutes later with more of them. Thank you.